hawak. Bermejo, pinasa kay Cañete. Big man attack. What a smart move. Basket. Number 4 ang bola. Bermejo to jersey number 11. Fires another three. Akala nyo, no? Akala nyo. Number 4 to jersey number 11 again. Long pass to Varga. Number 19. Reverse. But not good. Rebound. Pinasa. Pinagawa number 4. 2 points. Number 11. Pinasa kay Cañete. At nagtulon. It's a bang. 2 points. Bermejo select play to number 30 to Bermejo again. Attempt for 3. Bermejo may hawak ng bola. Bermejo pinasa sa big man. Cañete. Giat nagduha. Cañete tries to turn around. Yes sir. 2 points by Cañete. Number 4. Pinasa kay... Yes, 2 points by Pedro. Reflected ang pasa sa isang number 4. Bermejo. From Barca. 2 points. Iguales 3 by pinasa sa gilid. Shot clock 15 seconds. Pull up jumper 2 points. Number 3. Taga play. Tom Obata kina 3 points. Number 21. Number 3 Umbay. Umbay controls the ball. Fires for 3. Number 3 Umbay again. Pinasa sa ilalim. 2 points. Number 6. Narinig pa rebound. Kompleto. 2 minutes and 35 seconds limited time. 14 seconds to shoot. The Vasquez fadeaway shot. 2 points. Number 2, Varga. Pinasa kay number 8. Tapik sa bola sa Isbay Apoyo. 14 to shot clock. Vasquez making the 2. 1 point connected. Score 15 seconds. Pinasa kay Varga. Yes, 2 points to number 3. Rebound by number 9. Red. 3 hapos. Long pass number 8. Varga. Basket. And 1. To Quizon. Left hand layup. Easy basket. Number 3. Umbay. Fires for 3. Bang! Nothing. Umbay to right. 2 points. Jersey number 3. Umbay. Rice. Number 30. Number 30. Pinasa kay Umbay. Jersey number 3. 2 points. Pinasa corner. Shot clock 15 seconds. 3 points. Jersey number 8 seconds to the minute time. 45 seconds to the minute time. 14 seconds to shoot. Apoyo to 40 seconds to the minute time. To Varga. Nice to attack. Right on the layup. Easy basket by Varga. Number 2. Varga umatake. No good. Kapit sa rebound. Follow up by Quizon. No good. Follow up by number 9. 2 points. Number 9. Inbound. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 21. Nice to attack. Using his body. 2 points. Using glass. Inbound. Varga. Hinahinay. 15 seconds to shoot. Pinasa kay Quizon. Sa gilid. Pinalik kay Varga. 10 seconds to shoot. Varga side set. Drop pass number 21. No good. Follow up shot. 2 points to number 21. Number 30. Fires.